Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Shopify SEO Basics for better Google rankings, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Navigate to the online store section in the left sidebar. Click on Preferences to access the SEO settings. In the title field, enter a concise and relevant title for your store. Make sure your title includes primary keywords that represent your business. Next, in the meta description field, write a brief summary of your store. This description should be around 150 characters and include target keywords. Scroll down to the search engine listing preview to see how your title and description appear in search results. Now, move on to individual product listings. Select a product from the Products section in the left sidebar. In the Product Editor, find the Search Engine Listing Preview section. Click Edit Website SEO to customize the title and meta description for this product. Use keyword-rich phrases that potential customers might search for. Next, ensure your product images have descriptive alt text. Click on each image to add relevant keywords in the alt text field. This helps improve your store's visibility in image searches. Now, focus on optimizing your collection pages. Go to Products and then Collections. Select a collection to edit and scroll to the Search Engine Listing Preview. Again, customize the title and meta description with relevant keywords. Make sure they provide a clear idea of what customers can find in that collection. Next, use descriptive URLs for your product and collection pages. In the Search Engine Listing Preview, you can edit the URL slug. Keep it simple and include keywords related to the product or collection. Now, ensure your site is mobile-friendly. Check how your store looks on mobile devices using Google's mobile-friendly test tool. Mobile optimization is crucial for SEO and user experience. Next, consider adding a blog to your Shopify store. Blogging can boost your SEO by providing valuable content and backlinks. Create blog posts around topics that interest your audience and include keywords. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.